Dear scholars, recently we have learnt a lesson Seven Sisters, where we came to know about each state. Whatever information given, it is just like a speech, just like every speech is speaking with us. In such a format, the information is given. I hope you might you have watched all the videos and understood the information given. Here, through this video, I am going to explain the activities given in pointers or workshop. Here we have a first activity. Present any one of the speeches given above. So there are 7 speeches. That 7 speeches means nothing but information of the 7 states, right? So you have to present any one. Simply, it is oral work. So whatever information given, it should be presented just like you are giving a speech. So as it is oral activity, there is no need to write it. Second, choose any one of the 7 states, find more information about it, and prepare a leaflet or brochure to invite people to visit. Here, leaflet means a paper page giving information, and brochure is the book, small book, which is giving information. You might have gone to see Ellora caves, that caves in Verul, caves in Ajanta. So there you might have come across a person who is selling a small book in which there is information about the caves. So such a small book is nothing but brochure, and leaflet is simply done on the single paper to provide the information about the state. So you have to write some more information about it, and that you have to present in the form of leaflet. So how it is done? It is first name of the city, its place, then how to reach there, means the modes of transportation available, etc. information is written in leaflet. So you can simply find more information whatever given in this book. Out of this you will get more information on Google, so you can simply browse on it. Third activity, from the passage find and write any 2 examples of the following. 2 examples of the following. First one, use of the verb be, that is to be verbs. We know that they are am, is, are in present tense, right? Use of the verb be, that is am, is, are, etc. as the main verb. So what is main verb? First, if there is only one verb in the sentence, that is always called as main verb. If there are 2 verbs, so at that time the action is considered as main verb, and beside it to be, to have, or modal auxiliary verb provided, that is helping verb over there. But we have to use am, is, are as a main verb. So how can we written this? For example, I am a teacher. So here the verb am is used, right? Next, he is a singer. And third one, they are at home. So all these examples simply telling the am is, or use of am, is, are as a main verb only. But if I say I am writing a poem, so here am writing, these are the 2 verbs. Writing is the action, and then am is considered as helping verb. Means in continuous tenses and passive voice, simple present, and also the continuous passive. Here the forms of these verbs are used. So you have to prepare your own 2 sentences in which you have to use am, is, are, any two of these, right? But if you prepare for 3, it would be better. Next, third one, that is B1, sentences containing must and can. Must, it shows compulsion, can shows ability, permission, etc. So this is all about modal auxiliaries. Now you have to prepare a sentence, frame a sentence. The sentence should have must or can in them. So how it can be done? For example, we must wear helmet while driving. We are riding a bike. Here the must is making the meaning change. And another one, I can dance. So here it is ability shown. So can is the modal auxiliary verb. Next, sentences beginning with don't. When we are there to begin sentence with don't, that is imperative sentence first and its subtype negative. For example, don't, if we say with the don't, it is don't stand up. Another, don't go, don't waste my time, etc. sentences can be framed. And the fourth activity, write a short speech for the state of Maharashtra. So just like information about the 7 states presented, the same way you have to prepare information for the state of Maharashtra. That is its old name, then how it is created if you got the information, then how its land form, then food item, dance, etc. information you have to write. And as it is the speech, so you have to consider you are Maharashtra and you are speaking to the people. So in this way, here all the 4 activities given explained. I hope you got what to do. So do complete the given assignment or simply do all the activities given in this workshop.